Today we will discuss about AGM-88 harm, the new US flight to Ukraine. So as we all know about Russia-Ukraine war is going on. So let's study about AGM-88 harm. So here it is AGM-88 harm missile. US Under Secretary of Defense for Policy Colin confirmed Monday 8 August that Washington has supplied some anti-radiation missile to Ukraine, which could be fired from some Ukrainian Air Force aircraft. The statement has put made on Russian allegation that an American anti-radar missile, that is AGM-88 HARM, which is part of NATO's inventory, has been used in the theater of conflict. So रसिया का ये क्लेम है कि जो ये AGM-88 हार्म है, ये नाटो के द्वारा इन्वेंट की गई एक मिसाइल है जिसका यूज़ अब रसिया यूक्रेन वॉर में हो रहा है और यूक्रेनियन एयरक्राफ्ट इसका यूज़ कर रहे हैं. So let's study about this weapon. The acronym HARM in the AGM-88, HARM is a air-to-surface missile, stand for High Speed Anti-Radiation Missile. HARM means High Speed Anti-Radiation Missile. It is a tactical weapon fired from fighter aircraft and has a capability to detect and home in on radiation emitted by hostile radar stations that have surface-to-air detection capabilities. So these some basic point of harm, that is a high speed anti radiation missile. So let's study further what are the dimension of harm missile. AGM-88 harm is 14 meter in length but only 10 inch in diameter. Its weight around 360 kilogram and carry fragmentation type warhead that is optimized for radar targets. And how much capacity of harm is range of more than 100 km. The missile was originally developed by Dallas headquartered Texas Instrument but is now produced by major American defense contractor Raytheon Corporation. So these are producer of AGM harm missile. And let's study about some basic more points. Past several years, Russian social media users have been sharing open source information on Telegram to the effect of remnants of AGM-88 harm have been found near a Russian surface to air missile site. सो रसिया क्लेम कर रहा है कि जो भी रसिया यूक्रेन वॉर में AGM-88 हार्म का यूज़ हो रहा है वो यूएस द्वारा फॉर्म किया गया एक वेपन है. और एक CNN report noted that Russia-Ukraine war is the first in which weapon has been confirmed to have been used by military other than US. So इसी वॉर में ये कंफर्म हुआ है कि जो ये वेपन है अदर देन यूएस मिलिट्री भी यूज़ कर रही है. सो दिस ऑल अबाउट AGM-88 हार्म मिसाइल which is developed or NATO's inventory used in Russia-Ukraine war in 2022. So this is from my side. If you like this video, please don't forget share, like and subscribe.